past June, but I still see Max, a tale that forgives, no strings, no tax. Every Sunday, 4:45, we hit the park, just us alive. He fetches truth, not loaded lines, no gaslight games, no petty signs. He doesn't lie, he doesn't flex. That dog's the best part of my ex. Yeah, I lost a man, but I kept his dog. He's loyal, warm, and never talks. He knows when I've had a day too long, just leans his head like nothing's wrong. I don't miss the fights or his guitar licks or his crypto dreams and magic tricks, but Max still waits at my front steps. Yeah, I kept the dog of my ex. He tried to take him back last fall, said he's mine, Max just chased a ball. You can't own love, can't clone a bond. Some hearts stay though the man moved on. We walk in silence, simple and real, no drama talk, no wheel to wheel. He still likes chicken, hates the vet, and knows when I ain't over yet. Yeah, I lost a man, but I kept his dog. He still guards me like a nightly fog. He doesn't ask if I moved on, just snores beside me till the dawn. He's seen me cry, seen Netflix loops, licked my tears in soup bowl scoops. No collar tag, no legal text, but Max knows love, not my ex. Some ties fade, some just rewire, some burn down, some warm like fire. I thought I lost, but maybe guess you win small truths when you lose the mess. Yeah, I lost a man, but I kept his dog. No baggage talk, just morning jogs. He runs ahead, then waits for me like trust on four legs quietly. I'll let him bark, I'll buy his treats. We share the sidewalk, share repeats. He's not mine, but what connects is deeper than a name in text. So here's to Max, who never strayed, even when the love got frayed.